你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final 约. When you see the English letter UE in Pinyin, the U with 2 dots on top of it, the pronunciation is 约. It's a combination of the Mandarin Chinese 语 and 诶 sound. Let's say 约. First, pucker your lips to pronounce 语, then immediately followed by as in the English word yes. Let's try. Say 约. Your lips are from round to spread. Try again. Say 约. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. 语 语 语 约 约 约 Pronunciation exercise for 约 sound. Let's combine the initial l, the final 约, and the high falling fourth tone all together. L, 月, 略. Repeat after me. L, 月, 略, 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 略. 略 is to plunder in Chinese. Let's combine the initial n, the final 约, and the high falling fourth tone all together. N, 月, 虐. Repeat after me. 呢月虐虐虐虐虐 is malaria in Chinese. Question. When you see UE, the U with 2 dots on top of it, in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is 约. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.